Is it possible to make money from whiteboard videos? The YouTube channel Chris Invest earns an average of $50 a day by creating this type of content. These hand-drawn style videos keep viewers engaged until the end, which leads to longer watch times and, of course, higher earnings. Now I'll show you 3 different methods to create these types of videos. 1. Canva. First, log into Canva. Open a page with the dimensions you want for your video. Then, choose the text tool and write your script. Use the Elements menu to search for sketches and add visuals that suit your video topic. Once the visuals are ready, download them in PNG format. Now, open a blank video file in Canva. Click on the Apps section and search for Speed Paint. There are 2 apps for whiteboard-style videos, Speed Painter and Speed Paint. You can use either, but I'll show you how it works with Speed Painter. Open the app and upload your image. The app gives you 30 credits to start. Depending on the video duration, the credit usage may vary. To show a drawing hand on screen, activate the Add Sketching Hand effect. Then click Generate to create your video. That's it. Your video is ready. If you want, you can also use the Murf AI app in Canva to add AI-generated voiceovers. You can search for background music in the Apps section and complete your video directly in Canva. 2. Renderforest. Renderforest offers ready-made templates and handles all steps, like voiceovers and music, using AI. Click Whiteboard in the top menu, then click Create My Whiteboard to begin. You'll see 2 drawing options, one with a pen and one with hand dragging. Choose your style and click Create Now. Next, you'll see 2 options again, ready-made templates and AI-powered creation. Let's briefly look at the templates, but we'll use the AI option for now. There are different templates, usually with male and female presenters. You can check the links in the description to explore more. Let's try the AI feature. I type, create an informative video about how to make whiteboard animation videos. Then I click Do Magic. It asks me to sign up, so I sign up for free, and my video's ready. Let's watch it together.
Creating whiteboard animation videos can be a fun and profitable venture on YouTube. Here's how to get started. First, choose a topic that interests you and resonates with your audience. Research thoroughly to provide valuable content. Next, write a script that clearly communicates your ideas. Keep it engaging and concise to maintain viewer interest. Then use whiteboard animation software like Doodly or VideoScribe to bring your script to life. Experiment with different styles. Don't forget to add voiceovers and sound effects that complement your video. This enhances the viewing experience. Finally, upload your video to YouTube with an eye-catching thumbnail and effective SEO techniques to attract viewers.
You can freely edit the music, voice, text, and color from the side menu. However, there are limitations like resolution and watermark when downloading the video. You'll need to upgrade your package for those features. But overall, since it creates the whole video in one go, it's a very effective tool. You can find the link in the description, but before deciding, let's check out the 3rd method. 3. Mango Animate. Mango Animate is a desktop application. First, download and install the Whiteboard Animation Maker on your computer. I installed it, and setup takes about 2 minutes. After registering and confirming your email, this screen appears. You can either use pre-made templates and edit them, or create a video from scratch. I'll briefly show you how to start from scratch. Click New Empty Project at the top. From the right side menu, select visuals that fit your video topic. You can also upload and use your own images. To complete your video, use the audio music options located at the bottom or on the side panel. Let's see how the video turned out. So, I've shown you 3 different ways to create whiteboard videos for your YouTube channel. In my opinion, Renderforest stands out because it creates the entire video in one go, but I encourage you to check out the features and pricing of each method using the links in the description and decide which one works best for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, And if there's a video topic you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments.